So what you're seeing here is a hell of a lot of logos, but that's our ecosystem diagram, okay? And in the center of that is what we have always done at Oracle Construction Engineering. You may know us as Primavera, but we support planning, building, and operating. So schedules, resources, capital planning, collaboration, change orders, the whole 9 yards. Anything you need to do the right projects, select the right projects, and then do those projects right. You know, and we do a lot of good stuff with vetted data, but there's a whole lot of other data out there that we don't go get. We're not known for going out and getting data. So what we've done is we created a partner network, and you can see all those logos around the side. All these partners bring to us capabilities that we don't have. And we can bring these more quickly, more cost effectively to you and integrate them with our systems that we know work, you know, very, very quickly. So as you go around the horn there, you see we have reality capture, I can't quite make them all out. Smart tools, command center, worker safety and tracking. We've got a partner, Weight Cap. You just put a little device on the back of a hard hat. You can see where people are. You check for safety, productivity, verify timesheets. You keep going around the room. You can see daily reporting, progress measurement, safety. One example of our partner is Reconstruct. My buddy's Tracy's right back there. So who's seen Spot the little robot dog? Anybody seen him? Okay, so we've got Spot. Oh, I know you have. We've got Spot. We've got autonomous drones. You can walk around with your phone, capture images, videos, whatever. Reconstruct can put all that together. So instead of having to stitch all these pictures together or having people do job walks, you can just have all this automation do it for you. So this is our ecosystem. So the question is, how do we test it? How do we let you play with it? How do we get your feedback? Well, this is where it started. So what I'm going to show you now, this was phase one, and we called it Oracle Construction and Engineering Innovation Lab. It was just us, okay? And what it was up in Deerfield, Illinois. We paved a little lot, had a trailer, and set up 6 or 7 different experiences so you could experience this technology and these integrations firsthand. And it was cool. You know, it was kind of like Field of Dreams. If you build it, they will come. We had hundreds of thousands of visitors come through. And so if it's worth doing, it's worth doing bigger. So what did we do? We increased, and now we have phase 2. This is what you would see if you go to Deerfield today. 30,000 square foot facility. There's a dry lab. I'm going to show you some pictures. There's a theater. So what we're going to do is jump in here. I'm going to give you a quick tour. This is what we call the dry lab. You can see we've got a structure there. There's actually a manufacturing platform. We've got a police car with all kinds of automation and technology on it. We've got a smart condo. So we're Oracle Construction and Engineering. We're just one part of Oracle. There's Oracle Energy and Water. So if you deal with utilities and you've heard of O-Power, NMS, you know, some of the customer care and billing apps, those are our brothers and sisters in Oracle Energy and Water. And what they're doing is they're helping people understand how they consume power, how they consume energy. So we've got the smart condo. We've got a theater where you can have presentations. You can look down into the dry lab, see what's going on. And then we've got some your typical conference room, classrooms type setup. Okay, now I'm going to end real quickly with the lab. Just consider this a 45-second official invitation. The one thing I want to point out to you is up at the top, it says Industries Lab. Okay, it's no longer just construction and engineering. We all 11 global business units can work and play. So if you're curious about anything we do, come ask. So I'm gonna run this. Okay, that's all I have. Thank you very much. Come see us, check it out, and give us your feedback. Have a great afternoon.